Example number 2. A parallel plate capacitor consisting of a mica sheet of thickness 1 millimeter and a sheet of fiber of thickness 0.5 millimeter. Dielectric constants respectively are 8 and 2.5. If the dielectric strength of fiber is 6.4 into 10 power 6 volt per meter, and given that fiber gets dielectric breakdown before mica, find the maximum working voltage which can be applied across the capacitor with a factor of safety 10. So, parallel plate capacitor, it has mica sheet of thickness 1 millimeter they have given, and a fiber sheet of thickness 0.5 millimeter. So dielectric constants are given and dielectric strength of fiber is given. So what is the maximum working voltage that can be applied? Factor of safety is given 10. So now we need to find the maximum field. From there we can find maximum potential. So for that, let sigma be the surface charge density on the capacitor plates. So let us say EF is dielectric strength of fiber and EM is for mica. Then EF should be equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught into 2.5. 2.5 is dielectric constant of fiber and EM should be equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught into 8. 8 is dielectric constant of mica. So if I divide the two, EM by EF will be equal to 2.5 divided by 8, or you can write dielectric breakdown strength of mica is 2.5 by 8 times EF. EM is 2.5 by 8 times EF. So electric field inside mica is less than electric field inside fiber. So maximum value of EF they have given, this is the breaking strength. EF can have maximum value of 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 volt per meter. So this means from this we can find maximum value of EM max is equal to 2.5 divided by 8 into 6.4 into 10 power 6. So that turns out to be 2 into 10 to the power 6 volt per meter. So electric field, maximum electric field inside mica for fiber to not break down is 2 into 10 power 6 volt per meter. Now maximum voltage will be voltage inside fiber plus voltage inside mica. So voltage inside fiber has thickness of 0.5 millimeter So that should be 0.5 into 6.4 into 10 power 6. This is in millimeters, so it should be 10 power minus 3 plus voltage inside mica or across mica is thickness is 1 millimeter. Two into 10 to the power 6. So that will give you, this is 3.2, this is 2, that is 5.2 into 10 to the power 3 volt. So this is the maximum voltage that can be applied to capacitor. But they have given factor of safety is 10. So what we can write, maximum safe working voltage should be equal to theoretical safe maximum voltage divided by factor of safety. After all, factor of safety is theoretical voltage divided by working voltage. So that should be 5.2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 10. That is equal to 5.2 into 10 to the power 2 volts. So that is 520 volts. This is the maximum voltage that can be applied across capacitor without breaking the fiber.